This is a heavier duty rating 2013 Boarke BKM-43103RRK wide belt sander. The rubber on the drums was thin from being dressed, so we had all 3 drums recovered. It has a 42-inch width capacity and a 5-inch height capacity and runs 43-inch by 103-inch abrasives. This machine does have a digital readout and touchpad control. On the right side of the machine, there is also an auto thickness calibration unit. The first head is a 30 horsepower 10-inch helical groove drum. The second head is a 25 horsepower 10-inch helical groove drum, while the third head is a 20 horsepower helical grooved idler with a platen. The first and second heads have dial indicators to dial in abrasives. The feed is variable speed from 7 to 45 feet per minute via a 2 horsepower motor and has a VFD 4-speed control. The feed mat is thick and has the usual crazing, but has plenty of life left. This machine also has the optional 5 horsepower vacuum feed bed.